What if I told you, your food processor might be sabotaging your meals with uneven chops and weak performance? We tested 10 top models, crushing ice, kneading dough, and slicing veggies, and the results will shock home chefs. One highly rated processor struggled with basic tasks, while our number 3 delivered restaurant-quality results in seconds. If you want perfect slices, smooth purees, and effortless dough, this is the only ranking you need. Starting at number 1. Ninja Professional Plus Food Processor. The Ninja BN601 Professional Plus Food Processor is a powerful kitchen appliance with 1000 peak watt motor and 9-cup processing bowl. It features 4 Auto IQ intelligent preset programs with 3 speeds, quad chopping blade, dough blade, reversible slicing and shredding disc, and 20 recipe inspiration guide. Customers have praised its performance, customer service, ease of use and cleaning, and adjustable slicer blade. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Food Processor. The Hamilton Beach 10-cup food processor is a versatile kitchen appliance that can slice, shred, mince, and puree. It features a bowl scraper attachment to keep ingredients close to the blades for more even results, a 10-cup capacity, a large feed chute, a reversible stainless steel disc, and 2 speeds plus pulse. Customers love its powerful blending and mixing, ease of use, and easy cleanup. Number 3. Cuisinart Pro Custom Food Processor. The Cuisinart Pro Custom 7-cup food processor is a versatile food processing system with a 625-watt motor platform that provides a variety of functions, attachments, and accessories. Its extra-large feed tube holds whole fruits and vegetables, and it is easy to use and clean. The package includes a chopping/mixing blade, stainless steel shredding disc, 2 mm, medium slicing disc, 4 mm, detachable disc stem, compact flat cover, spatula, with small and large pushers, along with an instruction/recipe book. Number 4. Ganiza Food Processor. The Ganiza Food Chopper enhances your cooking experience with its user-friendly features. Its patented button design allows you to operate it effortlessly, reducing hand strain while providing better control. The innovative overheat protection light keeps you informed about the machine's temperature, ensuring safe operation and prolonging its lifespan. With dual bowls made of glass and stainless steel, you can easily separate meat and vegetable preparations, promoting food hygiene. Plus, the powerful motor with 2 speed settings makes quick work of chopping, mixing, or grinding, transforming meal prep into a breeze. Number 5. Cuisinart Plus Food Processor. The Cuisinart DLC2 ABC Mini Prep Plus Food Processor is a 250-watt mini food processor that quickly chops and grinds with a patented reversible stainless steel blade. It comes with a 24-ounce work bowl with handle, stainless steel blade with sharp blunt edges, spatula, and instruction/recipe book. It is BPA-free and has a limited 18-month warranty. Customers love its small size, powerful motor, and easy cleanup. So, which food processor will you trust to revolutionize your prep time? Chop into the comments. If this time-saving review upgraded your kitchen, pulse that like button, it helps us test more. Want more kitchen tech truths? Subscribe, next week we're testing stand mixers. All our top picks are linked below. Chop on!